Hi students, the question says the blood group of 30 students of class 8 are recorded as follows. Here in this question we are given blood group of 30 students, okay, and the blood groups mentioned here are A, B, O and AB, okay. What we need to do is represent this data in the form of frequency distribution table. Okay, so we are arranging this data in a form of a table, okay, so that it is more systematic. After doing the table, we have to answer the next question, that is which is the most common, rarest, okay, among this. So first we are writing the different blood groups which are given to us, that is A, B, O and AB. Okay, these are the four main blood groups which are mentioned all together. Okay, now what we will do is in the column of tally we will take one reading, cancel on top and put one tally mark wherever it is applicable. Okay, so let us start. We will cancel on top. Now it is A, so we will put one tally mark in A. Then next is B, then O, AB, O, A, O, B, A, O, B. Now we will go on cancelling and go on adding the tally marks. By this method we will not do any mistake, okay, and we do not leave any reading. So one by one we will cancel and accordingly put the tally marks wherever it is applicable. The last one is B and O. Okay. With this we finish the tally marks of our frequency distribution table. Now we will count these tally marks and write that number in number of students. A we got 9, B we got 6, O we have got 12, 5 plus 2 we get 12, and AB we have got 3. Now we have to count the total number of students and it should come to 30, okay, and with this we will come to know that what we have done is correct. Okay, 12 plus 3 is 15 and 9 plus 6 is also 15, 15 plus 15 is 30. Okay, so 30 is our answer. Okay. Now after obtaining our frequency distribution table, let us answer these questions. The first one, which is the most common? The most common will be the one which is maximum. Now among the four blood groups A, B, O and AB, O is the most common because we have got 12. And next is which is the rarest blood group? Rare meaning जो सबसे कम है, the one which is the least, minimum, okay, that is 3. So rarest is AB. Okay, so with these students we finish our sum. We have made the frequency distribution table and we also found the most common and the rarest among them. Okay.